pulse sensor on OLED display using Arduino Uno. Heart rate sensor, also known as pulse sensor, it detects heartbeat by sensing changes in the light intensity as blood pulses through your fingertips. We are using Arduino Uno microcontroller, the brain of our project. Now let's make the connections. Connection the sensor VCC to the 5V pin of Arduino, GND to GND, and the signal pin to the analog input A0. Make sure the wires are tight and correctly placed. Next we connect OLED display, connect VCC to 5V, GND to ground, SDA to A4, SCL to A5. This will enable I2C communication between OLED and Arduino Uno. Once the hardware setup is ready, open Arduino IDE. On your computer, select the correct board, Arduino Uno, and choose Write COM port. Now press the upload button to flash the code. After a few seconds, the code successfully uploaded to Arduino. The OLED screen will initialize, showing a heartbeat monitor interface. Now let's test it. I am placing my finger on heart rate sensor and you see the pulse values appears instantly on OLED display. The reading update live, showing real-time heartbeat monitoring, a perfect beginners-friendly project for learning sensors and display with Arduino.